Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Instagram draft reel to gallery. First, let's clear something important. By default, Instagram does not give you direct save to gallery button to save for draft reel. But don't worry, there are easy ways to save them. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap the plus sign at the top and choose reel. Now tap draft at the top of the screen or select the reel draft you want to save. At the bottom you will see the save draft option. Tap save draft. Next, close and open the draft. Tap on setting. Tap on reel. If you see it, tap it. Your reel will be open. From here, tap on edit. After editing, tap on tick icon which is in the top right corner. If you don't see the save option, don't worry, here's another easy method. Tap on next and turn on save to device or save to gallery in the reel setting. Now post the reel on as only or remove it immediately after posting. Once posted, Instagram will automatically save the reel to your phone gallery. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.